Hello friends, welcome back guys. In that tutorial, we are applying that beautiful and an awesome text options. I have to apply that text options here. I have to write that beautiful scenery. I have to write on it. And guys, here I have to choose that one font style. Now I could choose different kinds of colors. Like here I have to choose that one gradient. Now it could be highlighted with different colors and options. Here we could apply that beautiful stroke on it, like such kind of a strokes could be put it on it. So guys, thanks